And this evening, we've got a mostly cloudy sky across the area. Temperatures over the next few days will be somewhat up and down, as we've already seen that trend over the last few days. But we've got a cool night ahead of us and a mostly cloudy sky that'll be sticking around as well. Looking ahead, warmer weather for Friday, and then we cool back down for the weekend. But rain is likely as that next front pushes in Friday night. That looks to be our next chance of widespread showers and thunderstorms, and then more rounds of rain. Not entire weekend full of rain, but rounds of rainfall as we head into the weekend, and that'll carry on into next week. Last night's rain in parts of Morris, Lyon, and Chase County, you see exceeding 2 inches of rainfall. Some of that 1 to 1.5 inch rain made its way all the way over into Coffee County as well. Now it's just a lot of cloud cover. We don't have much rain falling out of this cloud cover at all. Had some showers earlier up north, but those have moved into Nebraska. Now just a widespread kind of low-level cloud cover just hanging around. You can see from Emporia as well as at Mayetta. Clouds in all areas, although some breaks here and there, thinner areas, but generally a cloudy sky for Junction City and mostly cloudy in Topeka as well. Current temperature is at 62 degrees. That is a cool day with a northeast wind at 9 miles per hour, and 62 in Topeka. Well, that's actually a lot warmer than it's been over the western counties. 68 was the high when we started the day as it was cooling down last night. This morning we dropped all the way to 49, so a much closer to average range on the temperatures today. Picked up again officially since midnight, 4100s at Emporia's airport. No rain since midnight. Again, a lot of that rain I showed you earlier, that was before midnight. Some of those heavier showers moved through. Look at all this cool air dumping into western Kansas. Temperatures down into the 40s. All through the day, Hayes and Pratt sitting in the 40s. 50s all the way east to Council Grove and Manhattan, Holton and Hiawatha, and some low 60s central and east right now. Cloud cover will be widespread this evening and tonight. Another system lifting across the northern plains with rain and some snow. The humid air is all to the east and southeast of us, but it may try to make a run northward again tomorrow. The chilly air is dominating the midsection of the country. Here comes our next system onto California. You see this dipping down to these blue lines. That's that system drawing closer. It will be the one that really ramps up rain chances. Not so much for tonight. We'll see a few passing light rain showers here and there tonight into the morning. Just a scattering of rain. And we should clear out for a little bit tomorrow afternoon. And the storms developing along the front late evening, overnight, and on into early Saturday. The hope is, though, we'll catch a break at times on Saturday before the next round comes in Saturday night and on into Sunday. When you add this together, by Saturday, we're looking at an inch or so of rain, maybe up to 1 to 3 inches by the end of the weekend. A lot of that is falling Saturday night into Sunday, and we're still on track by Tuesday to pick up about 4 or 5 inches of rain over a large part of the area. Tonight we cool down to 52. A few showers will be possible, but nothing too widespread. Tomorrow, high temperature back up into the upper 70s and low 80s, about a 60% chance of thunderstorms by late evening, 80 to 90% rain chance tomorrow night. That's when the highest chance will be. We drop to 54. Rain early and late on Saturday, kind of a break in the middle with a high of just 60, and 72 on Sunday, 79 Monday, and rain still likely into Tuesday before cooling down again into the middle portion of next week. A few weather photos to show you those ripply clouds over the city from Michelle Moss. There's another view of that from Michelle Peck-Walker, also taken in Topeka, and a view of some fall colors at Pomona Lake from Nancy Johnson. And you may have seen this in the evening sky yesterday. A lot of people were commenting about that shadow being cast across, so that's what it was. The humid air was being lit up white because of the high humidity and the sunlight hitting it, but some distant thunderstorms cast a nice shadow, and the blue really started to appear. So it made the kind of the sky look a little funky there from Rick Dykstra at Milford Lake.
Kind of looks like a half and half photo.
Yeah, very much so. One side looks colored, the other side doesn't, but it was a shadow casting across the sky that took some of that high humidity, whitish, hazy kind of look of the sky and took that away in the shadow.